Hello everyone. In continuation to the previous QQPS problem, we'll discuss some more problems. Okay. Here, the problem is that the cost of 10 chairs, is equals to the cost of 15 TVs. Okay. And the cost of one chair also given, that is as 150 rupees. 150 rupees. Then we need to find the cost of one TV. So, first to solve this problem in less than a minute, first we need to understand the logic. What are the steps given? 10 chairs cost is given as 15 TVs. Okay, and one chair cost also given. So first we need to find the value of 10 chairs. Because why 10 chairs? Because one chair cost already given. So cost of 10 chairs is what? 150 multiplied by 10. That is 1500. Just add 0. So 1500. So definitely this 1500 equals to the cost of 15 TVs. Why? Because 15 TVs cost is given as 10 chairs. So definitely it is equals to 1500. When 15 TVs cost is equals to 1500, then cost of one single TV is what? 1500 divided by 15. 15 1 ja 0 0. That is 100 rupees. So this is the way you have to solve it. So how you are doing? You are finding the one article, and that article price you are using in to find the other article price. This is the way you have to find the value for TV. Now we will discuss one more problem, that is depends on the weight logic. Okay, here there is a bag, and the bag contain a bag, and the bag contain 5.5 kgs of sugar. And the shopkeeper, what he is doing packing of each packet contain 100 grams of sugar. Then how many packets of the shopkeeper will pack this sugar? So first what you have to do, here the logic is we have to convert this 5.5 kgs into grams. 1 kg, what we know, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So when it comes to 5.5 kgs, how much weight? It will be 5500 grams. That is the total weight of this particular bag. But one packet weight is how much? One packet holds 100 grams. Then how many packets we can get from 5500 grams? When one packet 100 grams, then how many packets will come for 5500 grams? Simple logic. 5500 divided by 100. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. What is the answer? Total 55 packets. How can you judge your answer is correct? When you multiply again 100, it will give the value as 5500 grams. Okay, so the answer is correct. 5500 grams is the correct, because the total bag contains 5.5 kgs of sugar. Now we will discuss one more problem. Okay, there is a train, and the train goes 40 kilometers per hour. The train travels at the speed of 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, to travel 100 kilometers, how much time the train will take? Simple logic. 40 kilometers, 1 hour. Then 100 kilometers, how much? Just divide 100 by 40 into 1. Because why 1? Because 1 hour 40. So we have to divide. 0, 0 cancel. 10 by 4. 10 by 4 is how much? 4 2 jar 8. Remainder is what? 2. 2 by 4. That is 2.5 hours. This is one way. Another way is what? 2.5 hours the train is taken to travel 100 kilometers. Another way is what? 40, 40, 20. 40 kilometers how many hours? 1 hour. Another 40 kilometers, 1 hour. When 40 kilometers, to travel 40 kilometers, train takes 1 hour. To travel 20 kilometers, it will be half an hour. That is 1 plus 1, 2 hours. 2 plus half, 2.5. This is another way to solve the problem. Okay. Only thing is understand the logic and apply in efficient manner to solve the problem less than a minute. We will discuss one more problem related to the days and number of hours and wages. Okay. Employee name is Vimal. Okay. He works 6 hours per day. 6 hours per day. And per day. Okay. And each hour he will be paid of 20 rupees. He will be paid 20 rupees per an hour. So Vimal has worked for 10 days. Vimal has worked for 10 days. Then total how much amount Vimal will get? Okay. So to solve this problem quickly, first what you need to do, you need to find the value for 1 day. Because how much rupees will be paid to Vimal for a 1 day, then it will be very easy to find for 10 days. So per day, how many hours Vimal is working? 6 hours. So for each hour, how much amount will Vimal will get? 20 rupees. So per 1 day, it will be like 20 multiplied by 6. That is, why 20 multiplied by 6? Because 6 hours he is working. Per hour 20 rupees. 26 is 120 rupees. But how many days he worked? He worked for 10 days. So it will be like 120 multiplied by 10. That will give 1200 rupees. So what we are doing here, we found the how much amount Vimal is getting for 1 day. Then we found how many days, 10 days he worked. So multiplied by 10. This is the way you need to apply the logic. Now we will see one more problem related to the division area. Okay. Vinod runs 2 kilometers in 20 minutes. Vinod runs 2 kilometers in 20 minutes. But how much time it will take for Vinod to cover 500 meters? Okay. We can solve the problem two ways. Okay. First, I'll tell first logic. 2 kilometers is equal to how many meters? 2000 meters. 2000 meters, how much time it is taking? 20 minutes. 2000 meters he is taking 20 minutes. But how much time it will take to travel for 500 meters? Definitely it will be less time. So 2000 20 minutes. 500 by 2000 and divide by 20. 0 0. Okay. So 0 0 0 0 cancel. 2 1 2. Total how many minutes? 5 minutes. Okay. This is one way. Total. This is one logic. If you want to find other way, 1 kilometer 1000 meters. 2 kilometers 2000 meters. So 500 500 500 500. So total how much time? 5 minutes 5 minutes 5 minutes 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is the answer. That's all. Thank you all. Just to understand the logic, and we need to find how efficiently we can solve the problem and by implementing these logics. Okay. Thank you everyone.